Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video, and as you can see I am back home. So likely a couple videos, or a few videos actually, featuring a couple other people, namely Lauren, aka Style via Lauren on Instagram and YouTube, and my mama had appeared in a few of my videos. And yeah, so I have recently come back to Minnesota and it is freaking hot here. Oh my gosh, I'm like sweating, and if you can hear the AC that is running at the moment, so apologies if you could hear some rumbling in the background. But I have recently, so I was pretty bad during vacation, and I have a few boxes and I have not received everything I had ordered. So let me just show you really quickly. So I have one box, I have two boxes, and I have this ginormous box as well. And so there will be a few videos that I will film, and I think the one I will unbox first is the one I am most excited about, which is in this box right here. So yeah, stay tuned to see what I got. Alright, so like everything else, I did not stick to my wish list. I had, recently, or earlier, I had filmed a video talking about my 2018 wish list, and this item was not on that list, and that is because I did not know it existed at the time. And of course, being on social media like I am, I also check out other people's Instagrams, and I actually first saw this item that's in this box on, so I'll give it away. I'll give away the brand. So it is a Dior item, and I saw the pictures from the recent photo shoot that featured this particular bag, and I think it featured, what's her name? Jennifer something or other, the main character of Hunger Games. I'm sorry, I am blanking on her name right now, but yeah, she is the model that had pictured with this bag, and I just fell in love. And there is no Dior here in Minnesota, and so I went on vacation and I picked this up in California. I did not pick it up at the store, however, I did have them ship it to me. And yeah, I just recently got it, and I am going to unbox it for you guys. So without further ado, here is my blade, and I'll just go ahead and cut into it. So I did venture into San Francisco while I was visiting my family out in California. And so I did not want to get this bag sight unseen because I did not know if it would fit me, and so I decided to wait till I actually saw it in person to try it out, and I was able to do that. Okay, so let me just open it. So here is what's inside. It's beautifully packaged. Let me put this down, and let me get, oh my goodness, look at this beautiful box. So this is my first item from Dior. Let me just take this out. Alright, so here is the box. And there is nothing else in this box, but like always, I will use this as the stage. Okay. This is such a beautiful packaging, and it is a white box, so it's gonna wash out you know, my face and everything behind it. So here is the box, such a beautiful ribbon. I won't undo it because it easily slide off. Alright, so I already have the receipt, so I know it's not in here. Alright, let me open this with you guys. Alright, here is the inside of the box. There's a nice little sticker, which I don't really want to mess up, so I will just take the box from, or take the bag out of the bottom of it. They wrapped it so nicely in the accordion, what do you call it, folding of the paper. Okay, so go ahead and close this up. I wish they had included a shopping bag because I never had shopped at Dior before, but it's okay. So here is the dust bag, and let me untie it. Alright, here we go. And let me open it up. Oh my goodness, okay. It is a black bag. And here you go. So this bag is called the Diorevolution. And it is one of those bags that has, you can see, a part where you could put your hand through it. And the reason why I wanted to try it on first is because I wanted to make sure my hand fit in there okay, and as you can see, it does. And so let me take my hand out. So I walked into the store, and this was the boutique in San Francisco, and I already knew what I wanted. I did not waste any time in there, and so I asked the lovely SA, I think her name is Phyllis. She, well, I asked her, well, I just pulled up a picture on my phone, and yeah, she immediately knew where this was. And there was actually two, so this is considered a so black, where the hardware is black and the bag is black. So the leather is sort of matte in finish, and there were two different versions of this bag. The other version, you can see this is quite, you know, on the thicker side. The other bag was a little bit thinner, and it had a chain on it, and the chains were on the top of the bag. I'll show you a picture right here just for comparison. But in the end, I decided to go with this bag because I did put a poll on Instagram, and I asked everybody which bag they thought I should get, and I think only one person liked the other one, but I was originally looking for this one to begin with, and I'm happy that I got it. And look at that. So there was another bag that was on display, and I asked if there was a brand new bag in the back that nobody has ever touched, and the SA brought out this one, and this was the only other one in the store, and so I knew immediately that I had to get it. So let me go ahead and open it up and take out the felt. And here is the strap, and here is the tag. Let me show you up close if it'll focus. There you go. Take a screenshot of that if you're interested, and you can, you know, if you don't have a Dior around you, you can call them up and order over the phone. Alright, what else is in here real quick? So here is some information. I'm not really sure what's in here because this is my first Dior piece. Okay, so it looks like this is the authenticity card, and there is information on the back. I won't show you that because it does have the date that I purchased it. Wait, Yeah, it does have the date that I purchased it. It has a reference number, and it has a stamp of the store that I bought it at. And here is the, I believe it's the care booklet. So I'll put that all back in this envelope. So this is very similar to Chanel, but this one they actually do a little bit more work. They put the date that you bought it and the store. I'll put the price tag in this envelope as well, just so I have it all in one place. Okay, so here's just some tissue paper and more tissue paper. And let me take this strap out. I mean, I don't really think I will be using this strap very much because I did get this bag primarily to use as a clutch. Now let me just go ahead and take this strap out. Okay. So I originally was interested in the checker design. And I'll put a picture right here for you guys to see it. But then I saw this one and I immediately changed my mind. And so here is the strap. Again, it has the black hardware, and it is in the same leather, the matte black leather, as the bag. And let me just bring the bag back up. Let me show you guys what's inside if you guys have never seen this style of bag before. So there is a pocket on the front side here. There is a pocket in the back, and then there is a main compartment that has a flat zip pocket on the back wall. And let me go ahead and close that up. And I will put, oh, and it looks like, so this says Christian Dior. You can't really see it. Christian Dior Paris. Not really sure if there is a, I mean, you guys tell me. I'm not sure if there's an authenticity sticker or sorts in. Oh yeah, it looks like I could feel something inside of the pocket inside, so I presume that's the authenticity sticker, or that's the serial number. But let me go ahead and put this strap on. Okay, so the places to put the strap is on the side, which I very much prefer over the other one, because the other ones were sort of like attached to the actual flap, and I did not like that design as well. Let me put this on here. Alright, so this strap is adjustable. Okay, you can see. So as you can see, the strap here, I can adjust it, but I did try it on in the store at its maximum longest length, and it was still too short to go cross-body for me. And so this is how it looks like. I don't know if I like the strap like that, and so I might just forego using the strap at all and just use it, like I said, as a clutch. And that way it won't rub the hardware here. But yeah, so that is all. Oh, and look, you can see it says Dior. The other one says Ja Dior. But yeah, this one, I'm just so happy to have it. What do you guys think? So yeah, if you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. I'm just excited to have my first Dior bag. And I'm still thinking about that checker one. Who knows, maybe if I really love this one, I might end up getting that one as well. But yeah, so that's all I really wanted to show you guys for this video. I have a few more videos to film, so I will be wearing the same outfit, FYI. And yeah, just remember, until next time, remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.